In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can use Remitly mobile app to send money to Honduras. When you sign up using the link in the description of this video, you'll earn $10 and your first transfer will be free. Once you're successfully logged into the mobile app, you're going to select Get Started. Enter the amount of money that you want to send. It shows how much the recipient will receive and then select Continue. Select your delivery speed, you can do express or economy. Select your delivery method. With the card deposit option, the money will be available instantly in the recipient bank account. Here I'm just going to select cash pickup. Select the bank that you want the recipient to pick up the money or location. Enter the recipient first, last name or second last name if possible. Once you enter the recipient name, select Continue. Specify the recipient address. Specify the recipient address and hit Continue. If you want the recipient to receive a notification, you can enter their phone number. This is optional, so you can skip it. Select your payment method. I already have a card on file, so I'm going to select that option. Review your transaction and then send money. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.